Today we are going to see a new chapter, light energy. In that, what is refraction of light? Bending of a ray of light incident at a boundary of a two transparent medium is called a refraction of light, or otherwise passage of light from one transparent medium to another is called as a refraction of light. Next we go for some important terms related to refraction. First one is incident ray. The light traveling in the first medium and falling on the surface separating the two media is called incident ray. And point of incident. The point at which the incident ray enters the second medium is called the point of incident. And third important one is refracted ray. The ray traveling in second medium after undergoing the refraction is called refracted ray. Then we go for the next important terms, that is normal. What is normal? A line drawn at the point of incident and perpendicular to the surface separating two media is called normal. And next, fifth important term is angle of incident. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incident. The same way, the angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called refracted ray. These are the some important terms related to refraction. Next we go for refraction and speed of light. In vacuum, the speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In water, the speed of light is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In glass, the speed is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Now we are going to see what is the rarer medium and what is the denser medium. How we define a medium in which the light travel very fast is called as a rarer medium. The medium in which the light travels slower is called as a optically denser medium. So according to the speed of the light, we are decided the medium is a rarer medium or a denser medium. Next we go for a ray of light traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium, then it bends towards the normal. So the angle of refraction always less than the angle of incident. And the ray of light traveling from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal because the speed of the light is increases when we move from rarer medium to denser medium to rarer medium. So the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incident. So from this we know that what is the rarer medium and how the speed of the light is varying from one point to another medium. Okay, up to this we are conclude and we will continue in the next class. Today we are going to see a new